Hey everyone, Affiliate Marketing Secrets Review. How are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I am reviewing Affiliate Marketing Secrets. Also, it's called Supreme Affiliate Marketing. So I'm going to be interchanging these phrases as I do this review because for some reason the vendor likes to switch it up. So I'm just going to use both just in case. I don't want you to get confused. Anyways, guys, this is going to go into a dive about what affiliate marketing is. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or if you're considering getting into affiliate marketing, I'm going to give you a bit of an introduction as to what it is. And this is a product that is being launched by Larry Kearney. It is going live on August 9th, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. And the front end is at $18. So that's the early bird special. It will be going up incrementally. So you do want to get in early if this is something that does interest you. But the great thing about this review, guys, is all of my bonuses. I've got 7 awesome bonuses that really complement what affiliate marketing is, especially if you are new or you're just thinking about it. They're really going to help you get ahead. They're really going to help you understand and how to make some income as well, guys. So like I said, this is Affiliate Marketing Secrets or Supreme Affiliate Marketing. So let's get into my bonus page. And if you look here, guys, this bonus page with all my bonuses is going to stay up until Friday the 13th. Ooh, 11:59 p.m. Okay. So you've got quite a bit of time left. You've got over 4 days, 4.5 days basically to get this. Okay. So Supreme Affiliate Marketing is finally discover how to earn a living online using the power of real affiliate marketing. So maybe you've had some interest, maybe you're doing it and you're just not getting the results that you want, but this can help you. But really my bonuses are going to help you for sure. Okay, so let's find out what is Affiliate Marketing Secrets all about, aka Supreme Affiliate Marketing. Now yours step-by-step method to make money online marketing. The best products and services of other people go from an affiliate newbie to rock star in less time than you imagined. Maybe the following facts will open your eyes to the endless profit potential by promoting an outstanding multi-million-dollar niche. So this is going to go into some of the highlights, if you will, about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is hotter and hotter. Thousands of marketers are looking for updated training on YouTube ads. $20 billion in sales have been generated from YouTube ads and lead generation. YouTube ads is almost always better than PPC and banner ads where you're paying for a click or for impressions, not an action. Hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day in profits is very possible. My mentor, John O. Armstrong, he is making a lot of money, upwards of probably 6 figures a month, I would say. So it is doable, guys. Just you got to start somewhere, right? So my bonuses are going to give you that base to start on. Hundreds and even thousands of dollars. Yes, affiliate advertising is one of the best paid traffic sources out there, and over 22 products on this very topic have been awarded Product of the Day this year alone. 75 out of 100 online retailers have an affiliate program for marketing campaign like Amazon, Walmart, etc. Okay, so I'm going to go into the price and everything. It's kind of basic, the price, but first I want to take you through my bonuses. So guys, this is a sales video about affiliate marketing secrets that I'll let you watch on your own time. It's going to be in this bonus page in my description, in my YouTube description below. Okay, so you can watch this at your own leisure. All right, guys, so my first bonus is about YouTube. So we talked about all the revenue with YouTube ads that you can make. These 5 simple steps will explode your YouTube channel. So as you know, if you get enough views, you can monetize your YouTube channel and you can start making money totally passively once you get to that level. This is going to show you how you can not only do this, but how you can outrank your competition. It's got some cool little simple hacks and tips, but it's also got some more sophisticated ways that you can really get your YouTube channel higher and more of a broader audience as well. Okay guys, my second bonus is make huge money with no email list doing this. So A lot of people in affiliate marketing and online business always say the money is in the list, but how do you get the list in the beginning? It doesn't matter. This is a way that you can bypass that. You can make money without a list while you are generating, trying to get your list built. By the way, later on, I have another bonus that's gonna help you get your list bigger, but you can do both at the same time. You can be making money and also building your list, both separately, but both making money, okay? All right, guys, the next one. So this simple hack creates headlines that sell. So we're inundated with information every day. We're on our phones, we're on the computer, everywhere we're being sold something. People are trying to divert their information to our eyes onto their information. So how can we stand out? How can you stand out? This is going to show you some ways how you can make compelling headlines, because people have to react in a nanosecond, right? So you need to have something that creates a little bit of mystique, some curiosity. There's a kind of a cool little hack that you can use to get that done in this bonus, okay? My fourth bonus is launch jacking blueprint and $10,000 case study. So launch jacking is one of the core pieces of affiliate marketing. Now, some people like to go down this road, some people don't. Now, you can make money with affiliate marketing, not launch jacking, but this is going to show you some of the principles of launch jacking and the $10,000 case studies. So this is proof. The proof is in the pudding. If you just follow these steps, you can be on your way to making $10,000 a month as well, okay? So again, this is my way of saying thank you for using any of these tabs here. It'll click you over to the sales page, which is going to look like this, okay? We'll get into this in a second. And then if you click on here to buy, it's going to kick you over to, to Warrior Plus, which is going to have one of these tabs. You click on that, and then you'll be able to get all of my bonuses like this. It's going to look like this, okay? But guys, I'm not done showing you all my bonuses. So my next bonus, guys, is an easy way to build your buyers list. So up there, I told you a way that you can make a lot of money without a buyers list, but this is also a way that you can do that simultaneously and create your buyers list. So it's kind of a win-win, all right? And how to make your phone into a money printer. So we carry our phone everywhere almost, right? Sometimes we shouldn't carry it everywhere we go, but some people still will. You know what I mean? Anyways, why not turn that into a cash machine, okay? So if you're out somewhere, you can still be making money if you're not neglecting the people that you're around. You don't want to get, slapped around, but you can make your phone into a money maker. This is going to show you how you can do that. And finally, guys, Facebook has almost 3 billion people, users, potential customers, and it's all free, right? So why not tap into this massive social media platform and learn how to make money from it, because so many people make tons and tons of money from Facebook. So it's going to show you lots of things like Facebook friends, which Facebook friends you should be looking for, Facebook pages for affiliate marketing, ads, how do you get your promotion out there, how to get your name out there, and it's going to just go into a deep dive. It's all videos, fairly easy to follow, and you're guaranteed to get some benefit from this, guys, okay? And like I said, you got about 4.5 days as I'm doing this to collect all these bonuses, so you got plenty of time. So guys, I want to take you now to the sales page. Not very much to the sales page, to be honest. We've already talked about the main key points. This sales video I put in my bonus that you can look at. So this is one of the downsides of this particular app, I suppose. I wish I had more information to give you, but the positive is what I just gave you with my bonuses more than makes up for it, guys. So you are sorted. You've got a ton of information, I guarantee it. So we have a Supreme Affiliate Marketing, aka Affiliate Marketing Secrets. So here's some of the things that you're going to be learning. You're going to learn the introduction to affiliate marketing. So you're going to be taken by the hand into the important facts that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Discover the basic idea of how you make money from it and how it can give a steady stream of income when you're done, all right? how to find the right affiliate for you. So the big three that people launch their products or their software or their info products on are JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. You're going to learn about these, how to find the right ones for you, and also how to get your affiliate link approved. Okay. Supreme list building strategies. So the money's in the list. I just said that, right? And that remains true with affiliate marketing. So in this course, you'll learn about powerful list building strategies that'll get you subscribers on a steady frequency. You'll learn about the best kinds of subscribers to get and where to get them. You get these and more inside the course. Plus, with my bonuses, you're going to have a different approach. I'm sure Larry and my bonuses attack it in a different way. So you're going to get a kind of a full encompass lesson from each of these, my bonuses and Larry's tutorials. And traffic sources that convert. If you want to make money online, you need eyeballs, right? And that's where the traffic comes in. So Supreme Affiliate Marketing teaches you traffic sources that matter, meaning those that actually convert into sales. Because not all traffic sources are created equal. Yes, that is true. Okay, so guys, he's saying you could pay as much as $67 or $97 or $49.95, but today it is going to be $17.95, and I believe it is going to be going up. So I was given the price from Larry Kearney that is going to go from range from $17.95 to $29.95, so it's going to be $12 more in the upcoming future. So if this is something that does intrigue you, and if you want to get my bonuses, I've given you a lot of great information, guys, then this is something that you want to consider. You just click on these buttons, like I say, and it will take you to this page. You can click on that, and then, excuse me, you will take you to Warrior Plus, where it'll show you access your purchase and access affiliate bonuses. And that is where you're going to get all these, guys. And there's tons of information, I promise you. There's tons of great information in here. Okay, so this wraps up my review on affiliate marketing secrets, aka Supreme Affiliate Marketing. All right, so if this is something that you are just new to or you're thinking about it, this could be a very good course. I wish I had a little bit more information to give you. That is why I really packed this review with a lot of great bonuses just to keep you covered. Okay, anyways, guys, I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you want to know a little bit more about affiliate marketing, anything about making money online, you can either comment in the comments down below, or you can hit me up on social media, Facebook or Instagram. And again, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll be back very shortly with some more great reviews, great content on how you can make money online. So this is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you again for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.